Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "The brave may fall, but never yield." End quote. Some days you are a warrior, some days you're a broken mess, but most days you're a bit of both. But guess what? Every single day you show up, standing, fighting, trying, giving it your utmost best. And that, my friends, shows true strength. You see, my friends, life is a spectrum of experiences ranging from moments of fierce strength to times of profound vulnerability. On some days, we embody the spirit of a warrior, facing challenges head on with unwavering courage. But on other days, we feel like a broken mess, struggling with pain, doubt, and the weight of the world. More often than not, we navigate the space between these extremes, balancing resilience with fragility. Yet what remains constant is our presence. Every single day we show up, we stand even when our legs tremble. We fight even when our hearts ache. We try even when the path ahead seems unclear. So this unwavering commitment to keep going, to keep striving, is a testament to the beauty of the human spirit. It's in the embracing of both our strength and our vulnerability that we discover our true power, a quiet, persistent force that transforms each day into victory. So the phrase, "the brave may fall, but never yield," it emphasizes that while even the bravest individuals may face setbacks or defeat, they will not give up or surrender. It highlights the importance of perseverance and resilience in the face of adversity. It's a reminder, my friends, that falling down is not the same as being defeated. True defeat lies in abandoning the fight. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.